We're doing another MRE challenge today. Today we have cheese tortellini and tomato sauce. Let's kick it. Here, you can do it.
Alright, I get to do the tear?
Yeah. Alright, I'll do the tear.
Sorry, no pussies allowed.
Woo! Another fucking Tootsie Roll.
Keep that over there.
Holy shit.
Toaster pastries.
Some more jelly. Okay, so
I want to eat it.
so we're getting some repeats here.
Everything. Aside from the main meal.
Well, what the fuck?
Come on, America. Alright.
Damn
I'm
shame.
happy with it.
I know.
Wait.
12 minutes again.
Is that brown sugar? Big bowl?
Are you fucking kidding me?
Whoa.
Ooh.
Thanks for tuning in to this new episode where we did the fucking same shit.
Yeah. Different main course though.
Ooh, this feels like cheese tortellini and tomato sauce.
Do we have the same spices?
Do we have to heat this up too?
Papa's perfect spices.
Oh shit. Good tear. You're gonna break him, grab your boy. Damn. Oh. There's the Pop-Tart.
Is it open? Yep.
It's already open in there?
Well, it's still sealed.
Don't forget the rock. This isn't activating though. Says rock or something.
Oh, I can hear it.
Yeah, that's off to
We
the
got
side.
Papu, we got a napkin, we got the spoon.
Get it, baby,
Oh,
get it.
she's peeing.
So you want to try that brown sugar Pop-Tart again?
I already did. It's really
Oh,
good.
yeah?
I'm not even getting chemical burns by touching it.
Not yet. Good tear.
I can smell a cat's litter box.
Yeah, now you know how we feel with your fucking poop.
I have shit in the living room.
Everybody wants to shit in the living room.
You can like
Yeah, I'm looking for
move
the.
it.
I'm looking for the plate though.
Yeah, baby.
Want to see if there's a toy inside?
Good thing I have this protective fucking napkin.
Always use protection.
No. Oh god, yeah. I can feel that fucking. Oh.
Jesus Christ.
Cat takes a shit and wants to run around.
The
Right?
depiction of that. Boxes, cat. That's it.
Matt,
Double tear.
where's my carrot?
I don't know.
Oh.
You missed the double tear though. You're a failure. Oh, okay.
I can't do it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh. I think we should mix them. Let me come over there.
I'm literally
You come over here. Oh, yeah.
getting it
Out
on
of
my-
context.
Yeah.
Wait, look at that.
Ooh, shit.
The big gunky gums.
Wait, it looks like honey and chocolate. Kinda. Just a little bit.
Looks like
that one looks
urine.
messed up. That one looks not too bad.
Yeah. That one is actually pretty presentable.
I'll eat the big glob.
Ooh, yeah.
It's stale.
Is it?
You really? Just dry crackers dip?
Well, let's see.
Just as bad as the last time.
Try and crack
Which
this
one's
fucker
worse?
in half.
Which one's way worse?
Crack that or I was gonna stab it
legit
in half
jam.
Huh? Flawless.
Well, there you go. It's
Yeah.
just a gelatin coating now.
Looks like a fucking Rorschach test.
I wonder if this is stale.
Oh.
Mister, I won't eat the Tootsie Roll.
I didn't say it wouldn't.
Throw the dust pepper. Oh yeah, that smells good.
It
Yeah.
smells like cat piss.
Good job, Lilo. That ain't piss. That's fresh poop.
Fresh poop that looks like a Tootsie Roll, to be exact.
We got Matt.
No. Okay. Time out.
I get to quit.
And we're back.
No. I did the one
Fuck.
thing I shouldn't do.
So, scoop some of that jelly with this spoon. Put it in your mouth.
Rock, paper, scissors has to do it.
Okay.
All right. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Do we go? Okay,
Rock, paper,
we're doing
scissors,
the shoot. Okay.
Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. All right.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 and 1.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Damn it.
So scoop you some of that jelly up. Oh, that's hard to watch.
I tried not to. You
Oh,
sound like your cat when she's drinking water.
I sound like Matt eating noodles.
sound like my ex-girlfriend. I've never had a girlfriend.
Me either. Let's flip it.
That's a flip.
Like, feel it. It's not heated all the way through. One side of it's hot and the other is not. One
Keep it
side
in there,
is
then.
hot.
One side is not. Oh yeah.
That's a good tear.
Oh, it
It's a good
is.
tear.
Oh.
I don't think that thing's fucking cooked, man.
It's definitely cooked. It's hotter than a muff. What the hell is so green there?
I know, right?
Something.
I think it's just
Here we go.
super.
Before you take a bite.
Yeah.
Bro, it's not even warm. It's like
Yeah.
lukewarm.
There's no way that that's done.
Well, it is now.
I'm gonna get some food poisoning. I don't want no food poisoning.
You can't get food poisoning.
Yes, you can. I've gotten food poisoning before.
Not from this.
Why not? It's like not cooked.
It's already cooked. It's just
Oh.
heated.
The sauce is like just fucking as hard as the noodle.
All right, let's go. Shit ourselves at midnight.
Dink it, then.
Nah, ew,
Thank
it's
you.
so gross. I don't like it.
Dude, I gotta like fucking.
Yeah.
God, hurry up.
Jesus Christ. You did not follow instructions.
Did we need to bring? Did we need to bring your mom over here to feed you?
No, like that.
Oh, it's like not warm Boyardee.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, look at that.
You know what this tastes like? The exact same thing as the last one, just a different shape. Like the exact same thing.
Dry, bland.
Dry, bland as fuck.
I love how the first word in it isn't even there. Like cheese, nah.
It's like the sauce has no purpose. You could just might as well give it to you without the fucking sauce.
Yeah.
The
I mean,
sauce is
I can
just
taste
for, like-
tomato. It's just a lubricant of.
Yeah, but it's just as like noodly as the noodles.
Legit. I mean, they're all kind of the same.
Takes a hit of this LaCroix and he passes out.
It looks like brain surgery. I think I'm gonna sneeze.
I'm scared to
Oh,
eat more, but I kind of also want to food
You're
more,
sniffing.
eat. I want to eat more.
This is awful.
Try it with some jam. Maybe that will make it better.
Would you rather eat this or nothing?
I'd rather eat ass.
It's pretty filling.
That's where it's warm.
Oh, it is?
The bottom part.
Right next to ass.
Oh,
There we go.
what do you compare this to?
The other MRE packet, that's about all I got.
Yeah.
Boyardee without sodium, or...
Right, there's definitely like, yeah, there's no salt, there's no flavor really.
I bet this tastes like Play-Doh in case it...
That's really hot.
He thought he would have learned from last time.
When you just laid it on.
Yeah, none of us know what 12 minutes is. Anything past 30 seconds, I can't count.
30 seconds feels like
30
8
seconds
minutes.
or an hour.
Yeah, I don't know. We just keep guessing. Shit's fucked.
Thanks for watching another MRE taste testing challenge. This was a tortellini of some sort. Make sure to hit the dislike button, comment you hated this video down below, and also, Jared, thank you for your service.
Later.
Thanks for watching!